I'm going to show you how you can mark text that you want to be able to see later. Um, so here in the Book of Mormon, there's a few of these verses that I really like. So to highlight them, so I can easily find them later, I'm going to tap and hold on the first word of the section I want to highlight. Now you can start at the beginning of the verse, in the middle of the verse, and I'm going to tap on the second little, kind of looks like a raindrop, and I'm going to drag that so that all of the text that I want to highlight is selected. Now you'll notice once I've selected it, this little thing pops up. Now there's several things you can do with that text. For now, I'm just going to mark it. So I'm going to tap that. You see it's defaulted to a yellow highlight, but if you want to change the color or the style, you can go here. So for example, I want to highlight this in blue, and I want it to be underlined instead of highlighted. Hit the check mark, and now you see that has been applied. And if I change my mind later, you can easily go back and do that. Now, if you've gone on and you want to go back and change it again, all you have to do is tap on the highlighted section, and you can change the color and styling there as well.